Hello，大家好，歡迎嚟到天下知多啲，我係 Dennis。咁今日咧同大家分享一個咧比較有趣嘅問題咧，就係咩係川普嘅失調症嘅 TDS 啊。咁我哋過去2016年開始啦，Trump 上任之後咧，其實得好多人咧就患上咗呢個病嘅。但係呢個病咧就唔可以話正式係喺醫學上邊嘅一個病嚟嘅，或者係心理學入邊啦，或者醫學入邊咧就唔可以話係正式嚟講係一個病咯。但係只係我哋一個形容一啲人咧，乜鬼都反阿 Trump 啊，為反而反啊，強烈討厭批評啊，執迷不悟咁啊，左膠媒體不斷咁去抹黑。佢將阿 Trump 咧做成一個好爭議性嘅個性啦。咁其實阿 Trump 係一個非常友善嘅人啦。而家咧就俾大家睇下條影片，係一個女士啦，一個長者，佢曾經經歷過阿 Trump 嘅憐憫。
Said she loves Trump, says Trump saved her life one night in New York long before he was president, back in the Apprentice days. Told us quite a story. Take a listen.
Trump saved my life, literally. My dad and my mom passed at the same time. I was in a bad place. I was going towards the Brooklyn Bridge. Don't ask me why, but I was. Donald Trump was standing on 97th Street in Broadway. He was at a friend's birthday party. And when he saw me coming past, I was hysterical in tears. And he gently grabbed my arm. He was like, whoa, wait a minute, are you okay? And he said, well, I don't know what you're going to do right now, but whatever it is, forget about it. Take it out of your head. Your mom and dad wouldn't want that. And he talked to me till I forgot all about what I was going to do. So he said, let me pray for you. So when I went to get my keys out of my pocket, and I opened my hand, he had placed a folded up, real small, folded up $100 bill in my hand. I framed it, literally, and this is a true story. He saved my life. Yeah, he did. So anybody that has anything bad to say about Trump, did it, because he's a good man.
咁其實呢個就唔係，即係我哋咧就唔係啲咩新聞嚟㗎啦。對我哋嚟講咧，我哋都好即係。都經常聽過呢啲類似嘅新聞，阿 Trump 點樣去幫過啲咩人啊？咁嗰啲人點樣去記得阿 Trump 幫過佢？我以前咧，而家因為嗰個 channel 俾人封咗，或者我有機會咧，我再放翻嗰條片出嚟，點樣幫咗佢一家咯？咁其實啲好感動嘅故仔嚟嘅，好多林林沈沈嘅好多嘅，但係咧左媒咧就唔會報導呢啲啦，左媒。呢啲咧就變咗係野史啊！對好多人嚟講，阿 Trump 咧嗰陣時亦都有另外一個咧，就係佢開下車，有個人架車壞咗，咁佢落車，跟住咧就捉佢個司機幫手換軚。有時啲都好無厘頭嘅，但係佢有時就有感而發咯。你唔可以話佢黐線啊、又成啊。咁佢本身佢個性格，佢呢類型嘅性格先可以做到佢呢類型嘅事業噶嘛。佢從政之後，佢有另一個風格，而咁啱咧78個 million 都中意佢啊嘛，就係中意佢呢種風格啊嘛，中意佢呢種政策，佢講嘢啊，所有嘢，因為佢係咁樣而我哋投佢噶嘛。唔係講埋晒一啲花巧嘢 ，speak nice 咁 do shit 嗰啲咁嘅人咧，好似 Adam Schiff 啊，係嘛 Newsom 啊 ，Nancy Pelosi 啊，呢就好多啦。我哋民主黨嗰度基本上都係呢啲咁嘅人嚟嘅 ，OK？ 啲人面獸心、衣冠禽獸，就係呢班民主黨咯。咁左媒咧就一定會用好另外極端嘅去抹黑阿 Trump 噶嘛，所以令到好多咧嗰啲人咧就患上咗 TDS 啦，染上咗 TDS 嗰啲人咧，呢度都有講啦，就係因為媒體啦，即係社群呢個同溫層啦 ，echo chamber 啦，社交媒體同溫層呢個咧係一個情緒，我上一集都有講到噶啦，嗰啲人嗰啲荷爾蒙失衡啊，而亦都會導致有呢種咁嘅情況，同溫層嘅情況發生，同埋咧人咧有個好得意嘅情況啊，就係咧佢個腦佢係唔中意新嘢噶嘛。你年紀越大咧，越唔能夠去接受新嘢，就係因為你個腦嗰啲荷爾蒙分泌嘅原因啦。其實係腦個結構啦，腦個結構影響你嗰個荷爾蒙分泌噶嘛。呢啲嘢一路啦會影響咯，所以會導致好多嘢你越嚟越固執，越嚟越只會去聽一 聽埋一邊，轉牛角尖咁呢啲嘢就會發生㗎啦。佢呢度咧就呢個 Grok 呢個解釋咧就會話阿 Trump 嗰啲咧比較爭議性嘅言論啦，因為阿 Trump 講嘢就係直巴甩㗎啦嚇，佢唔同你包裝先再講出嚟，或者用啲咩好嘅詞語，揀啲好嘅詞語特登，佢係會揀啲衰嘅詞語嘅。因為尤其是你左媒咧，因為左媒唔值得我哋去呵護啊嘛，你個左媒即係亦都唔值得我哋去尊重咁樣講啦，所以佢咧就會好鄙視咁，就係直接去鬧左媒。即係我咧仲會出一啲呢啲咁嘅 po 咧，去插下拜登啊，阿 Trump 咧就會仲會祝佢早日康復。我咧直情唔會祝佢早日康復，因為我覺得呢個咧已經係絕對係一個 cover up 嚟嘅。喺阿拜登4年前佢上任嗰陣時已經有癌症嘅，但係咧個民主黨喺入邊咧就冚住唔俾人知，咁啊一路喺度講，即係俾藥佢食啊之類嗰啲嘢啦。總之係做啲好衰嘅嘢。咁我哋俾阿拜登成個團隊，你呢個 deep state 害咗4年啊嘛。咁我哋點可能會話哎呀好啊，祝佢快啲好返？梗係唔係咯，即係咒佢啦。我哋一路咧就想拜登早啲死㗎啦，係咪先？咁啊而家咧真係叫做，所以我哋上面咧就叫做 prayer God answer， 真係係嘛，終於禱告得應允啦嚇。佢所以阿 Trump 又冇呢啲咁嘅做，唔會做呢啲咁嘅嘢嘅喎嚇。佢都係 still the election 啦，佢哋已經跟住，所以阿拜登先上到去㗎嘛。如果唔係 still 嘅 election，佢點樣上到去咧？咁佢就竟然咧就阿 Trump 竟然就唔會去好似我咁搞呢啲咁講呢啲咁嘅嘢啦。咁可能啦，一國之君啊嘛，一國領袖啦，叫做唔係一國之君啦，一國領袖咧就有個體面啦。佢所以你話阿 Trump 係點樣癲啊？點樣極端啊？所以呢啲全部都係左媒製造出嚟嚇。希拉里佢嗰陣時有機會有足夠證據嘅，根本上一屆嗰陣時已經有足夠證據可以去起訴希拉里。希拉里呢個同Clinton Bill Clinton 同 Hillary Clinton 都係壞到透嘅一家人啊！跟住而家仲搞咗個組織出嚟啦，咁樣 Clinton Foundation， 跟住真係壞到透，邪惡到不得了啊！咁咧，但係咧，阿 Trump 竟然咧就冇去起訴佢，因為始終佢覺得 Bill Clinton 始終都係總統，一個總統夫人咧俾人起訴咧，跟住拉咗去坐監咧，就唔係對個國家唔係幾好睇咯。咁佢由始至終可以見到佢係由始至終咧都係以國家為優先，即係Make America Great Again 嗰個意念嚟嘅。所以佢覺得如果個總統夫人俾人拉咗去告贏咗啦，贏係贏硬咁滯噶啦，病家時嗰啲證據確鑿噶啦 ，OK。咁但係拉佢去坐監，跟住變咗成個國家就有種即係唔係幾好睇嘅，所以阿 Trump 就冇去，但係反而相反嚟講，有一班民主黨嘅仆街咧，即係可以去繼續不擇手段啦，甚至去繼續抹黑啦。抹黑到一個地步，即係抹黑到一個地步咧，啲人咧 TDS 到一個地步咧，係去殺機嘅有嚇，所以可想而知幾咁嚴重啊！個人信念，如果某人的核心價值觀如對治理或社會意義的看法與川普行為相衝突啦，他們可能會反應更劇烈。TDS 就係咁啦，邊境民主黨佢就翻譯種族歧視，你明唔明啊？所以根本就係左媒做導致嘅呢一班 TDS 出現嘅核心價值，根本大家都係想我哋入邊啲人安居國泰民安、安居樂業噶嘛。而家阿 Trump 又準備啦，又再去傾呢個俄羅斯同烏克蘭呢件事啦。佢有同普京傾咗2個鐘頭電話，佢又唔想生靈塗炭嗰啲人，都係為美國好啊。但係左媒咧就唔會有啲咁嘅講法㗎，左媒就會用一啲唔同嘅方式，總之佢要唔同嘅方式嚟抹黑阿 Trump 嘅，所以幾咁不堪啦。佢亦都問 Grok 睇下有冇得醫啊？ 咁咧，佢話如果你係患上咗 TDS 咧，咁因為唔係真正嘅醫學病徵嚟噶嘛，同埋唔係真正嘅心理學啦，其實係情緒學嚟嘅，睇你個情緒我點樣調整咯。咁啊，退一步啦，減少接觸有關川普新聞啊，或者社群媒體，呢個我都唔係好贊成退一步嘅。不過有時你又睇少啲，唔係睇少啲阿 Trump 嗰啲，係睇少啲左媒嗰啲，咁去 open minded 去理解到啊。其實真正阿 Trump 係一個咩人咧？咁樣即係亦都係呢個叫做尋找多元觀點啦，就平衡嗰個意見啦，要理性思考啦，唔好感性啦，唔好用情緒啦，唔好用荷爾蒙去理解啦，咁樣啦，轉移注意力。我覺得你如果唔睇唔去面對啊，如果你唔去睇 Trump 嘅嘢咧，就簡直你係避開。好多人咧本來係民主黨嘅，後尾咧佢哋對民主黨嗰啲一啲行為咧開始有疑問啊，咁你咧就走咗去睇下 Trump 開始。當佢睇，佢自己去做 research 啦，當然要。即係如果佢靠主流傳媒咧嗰啲新聞咧，就一定瀨嘢噶啦。咁佢哋咧就即係好彩有 X 啦，跟住佢亦都有 Telegram 啊嗰啲，去周圍去抄啦。即係你一定要好有心去抄呢啲資料，咁咧你咧就可以將你個 TDS 去醫治㗎啦。我哋當然係攞呢個 TDS 嚟做笑話啫，但係事實嚟講，嗰班人嗰班左膠就真係有啲咁嘅情況，又真係有呢啲咁嘅病徵啊嘛。你去言論去拗一啲政策，我哋可以嘅，但係你拗到一個地步，都唔係拗嘅，都唔講道理嘅，諗埋一邊嘅，都唔睇事實嘅。咁有時好似阿 Trump 呢單嘢咁，我都有做功課㗎啦，已經想咧了解一下咧阿 Trump 講呢件事咧嗰個 reality 喺邊度咯。因為我哋了解阿 Trump 講嘅嘢，有時咧係為咗去準備下一步棋嘅。佢已經唔係傳統嗰種被主流傳媒去擺佈嗰啲咁嘅政客嚟㗎嘛，所以佢係會自己有一套。咁有時去行啲棋咧，就係有啲嘢咧未發生，佢講咗先。所以咧，我哋有時就係要喺呢方面，好似話澤連斯基一定會應承㗎啦。我同普京講咗2個鐘頭啊，咁佢呢啲嘢係咪真係會應承咧？咁你唔可以 100% 去贊同㗎咯，因為佢都係人咯。咁佢有佢嘅一個策略。佢嗰陣時話，佢一上任啊，即刻停戰啦。咁但係都停戰唔到啦，係咪先？咁呢樣嘢唔係喺控制範圍以內㗎嘛。咁佢想像開頭嗰陣時，佢想像係可以嘅。咁佢唔得，但係佢冇停止嘗試咯嚇。咁一路都係嘗試緊咯。其實最主要咧都係想大家咧可以解決咗呢個 TDS 去嘅，所以咧就先至會有呢個題目嘅啫。點樣都好啦，喺政治方面咧都唔好太過 take it personal 啦，都要抽身啦，就唔好俾荷爾蒙去影響咗你嘅決定或者你嘅情緒啦。如果你話我唔知道你講乜喎，咩荷爾蒙啊，咁咧我上一條片就請大家翻去睇翻，會喺呢度上邊咧再次顯示出嚟噶啦。希望大家繼續幫手留言、分享、點讚，多謝大家收睇，我下次再見，拜拜。